camera catches a devastating Russian strike on Kharkiv in Ukraine, suffering one of its deadliest nights. In Ternopil, officials say 26 killed, including 3 children. In daylight, still fighting fires and tears, desperate loved ones search. Has anyone been pulled from the debris, this woman asks. Ukraine's President Zelensky writing once again the Russians have killed innocent, peaceful people who were simply sleeping in their beds. While today, an effort to restart peace talks and discuss military strategy. US Army leaders, including Army Secretary Dan Driscoll, making a surprise trip to Kyiv, according to 2 US officials, a European official, and a source close to the Ukrainian government. President Trump today recounting a call with Vladimir Putin, where he says the Russian leader brought up Trump's efforts at peace in other regions of the world.
I said, don't worry about that. Just let me settle your frickin' war. Okay? You don't have to help me. I don't need any help. I need help with your war.
3 US officials tell us Trump envoy Steve Witkoff has a potential 28-point peace plan, but it was written with Russia, not Ukraine. Tom?
Okay, Keir, we thank you for that. To our series now, The Cost of Denial, where we focus on the challenges so many Americans face with their insurance plans. Tonight, the patients whose plans will only pay for the cheaper medication first, as opposed to the ones their doctor recommended. And what happened for one patient when our Maggie Vespa investigated?
It's been eating away at what is an essential part of me.
Diagnosed early last year with multiple sclerosis, Wisconsin-based artist Serena Hostvedt says her symptoms are the worst they've ever been. Tremors in her hands, making it hard to work.
It feels like parts of you are disappearing.
MS is a chronic illness in which the body's immune system attacks the protective covering around nerves, causing numbness, trouble walking or seeing, and other issues. At times, language eludes Serena.
What's it called? When you're comparing something to something else. An analogy. See it like that. Couldn't find it.
Her doctors at the Mayo Clinic requested her insurer, Anthem Blue Cross, cover an infusion medication called Ocrevus, which treats relapsing forms of MS.
This is the first denial letter.
Anthem Blue Cross denied Serena's coverage. Elevance Health, which owns Anthem Blue Cross, telling us doctors did not include medical records showing she had completed the required step therapies.
Step therapy, also referred to as fail first, is when insurers require patients try less expensive drugs before approving one with a higher price tag. What do you think of that concept? I think it's ridiculous. Medication should be given based on need, not based on what it costs.
The list price for Ocrevus is nearly $80,000 a year. One alternative the insurance company put forward is less than $1,000 a year. The twist? Serena had already tried it and had a severe allergic reaction. She says her doctors at Mayo Clinic, who declined to comment for this story, submitted that information in their second request, but coverage was denied again. Serena filed for a third-party review. While she waited for that process to play out, NBC News reached out to Anthem Blue Cross to ask about her case. The next day, the insurer reversed course, agreeing to cover the more expensive drug.
What do you think prompted your insurer to overturn their decision? Me reaching out to NBC and NBC reaching out to them.
Elevance Health told us it received updated medical records to include the missing treatment history during an additional level of review, and that once we had the accurate information, we promptly approved the treatment.
When your insurer told you, we just now got that information, what did you think? That is false. That's a load of crap.
Serena's focus now on taking steps to manage her incurable disease.
Stress is so bad, especially for MS. So it is a huge relief to not have to worry about the added stress of fighting for this. It's a huge relief.
Maggie Vespa, NBC News, Eau Claire, Wisconsin.